Hey everyone, this video is another wash, style, and review using some products from Organigrowhairco. If you don't know about this series, click the link in the cards. But the beautiful K-Cola contacted me and wanted me to try out her low porosity bundle. And let me just say, I was very excited to get her products and try them out for myself. And also, I love that she has lines for low porosity, medium, and high porosity. Not too many companies do that. They don't cater to your porosity. If you don't know about porosity, why porosity matters, why it's linked to moisture retention, definitely click the link in the cards because I do have a dedicated video on that. So I'm starting on very old, dry, crusty, nasty hair. Like my hair felt disgusting because of products I used previously. If you want to see that video too, click the link in the cards. So I'm first going to use her Redo Pre-poo. I love Pre-poos. I always do it because of its benefits. This Pre-poo has rosehip oil, sweet almond oil, apricot oil, kernel oil, castor oil, and these oils are going to condition, nourish, seal, and stimulate from the root to tip. And I'm just going to apply this all over my hair. I'm going to thoroughly saturate and coat my hair. My hair is dry, but I am going to spray it with some water just to help that oil penetrate even better and adhere on my strands a lot better as well. After I have it spread throughout my hair and scalp, I'm going to do a scalp massage. I want to stimulate that growth, girl. Stimulate that. Then I'm going to apply a plastic cap. It is recommended to use this overnight, but of course I forgot to do that. So I am going to let this sit on my hair for 4 hours. So now I'm in the shower and my hair feels soft. It feels so good. I'm going to rinse this out underneath warm water, but my hair feels so silky, soft, and smooth. Definitely a great pre-poo. So she did send me both of her shampoos, her clarifying shampoo and her moisturizing shampoo, but I actually didn't use her Grow Poo clarifying shampoo for this session. So I'm just going to go over some specs and highlights of this product. The clarifying shampoo is recommended for low porosity because normally if you have low porosity, you get buildup easily, and we need to strip our hair from those products just so any products we apply on top absorbs into our strands properly. This shampoo removes product buildup, it revitalizes the hair, and will heal the scalp. And also it has some ingredients such as beet sugar extract. This is extremely hydrating. It's going to promote collagen, shine, elasticity, as well as the tingles. It's very thin and runny. It has a light lather, but it does cleanse my hair very well. But my hair doesn't feel dry and brittle. It still feels hydrated. A little goes a long way with this product. It's just overall a great product. Now for the Grow Poo moisturizing shampoo. This is for high to medium porosity, but I feel as though that even if you are low porosity, using a moisturizing shampoo in between clarifying is needed. This has the same consistency of her other shampoo. It's very thin, it's very runny, and it does have a gentle lather. So I'm going to just apply that throughout my hair and my scalp. Then I'm going to see if this product has detangling properties. And I have to say it doesn't really detangle easily. So I wouldn't recommend detangling your hair with this shampoo. But other than that, it cleaned my scalp very well and it was very hydrating. My hair felt super soft. So under running warm water, I'm going to rinse that out thoroughly and do a second cleanse. This shampoo is very nourishing to the strands in the scalp and it will promote healthy hair growth. It also has hydrolyzed soy protein. This is going to increase hair strength. It's going to add softness, volume, and also repair damage to the strands. I definitely like this shampoo as well as the other one. She also sent me her scalp massager and I'm going to use this to help cleanse that section. So let me tell you, I've seen this type of product all over YouTube and I definitely was interested, but using this felt amazing on my scalp. I love massages, especially scalp massages, and this feels so good. And Cleansing my hair didn't take long at all because when I use the pads on my fingertips, I definitely feel like I have to do it longer just to ensure my scalp is very clean. But using this, it definitely cuts it down in half. So as I am rinsing out the shampoo under warm running water, I am going to do a light finger detangle. Now I'm going in with her protein free deep moisture condition, and this is a protein free deep conditioner for low porosity. It's very runny and thin, but this feels amazing. This feels so soft. My hair just feels so soft. It has a ton of slip and it's very hydrating. This product contains vegetable glycerin. Glycerin is amazing because it draws moisture into your strands. It has oils that's going to aid in anti-aging, conditioning. This product is going to revive the hair and add a ton of sheen. It's also rich in fatty acids and it helps seals split ends. I did break that section down in half to finger detangle, and it's just so easy. I'm forcing it. My faces are too much, but the slip is crazy insane. The slip is thanks to the marshmallow root. That ingredient provides a ton of slip, making it easy to detangle and manage your hair. The deep conditioner is definitely one of my favorites from the line. So once I have that deep conditioner all over my hair, I'm going to add a shower cap. I then shower, let it sit on for, 20 minutes, and then I rinse it out with cool water. And once I am done, I want to soak up as much water as possible. So I just put on a microfiber towel. After I felt my hair felt so good and soft. I was very satisfied and pleased. My hair just felt so bomb. Next, I'm going to go in with her Stimulating Scalp Beverage. This has a ton of vitamins and minerals, and this is going to, get that blood flowing, stimulate growth. That's what we want. We want healthy hair over here. So I'm just going to apply maybe 10 drops to my full scalp and massage that in thoroughly. You want to make sure you do not use a ton of this product because it's very concentrated. This daily hair elixir promotes longer, stronger, thicker hair because it has a special blend of organic oils and essential oils specifically designed for delicate, low porosity hair. Yep. That's me. This oil blend does have lighter oils in it, such as grapeseed, which is great for conditioning the scalp, and it's not going to clog your pores or weigh your hair down. Now I'm going to use the Hairdo Low Porosity Leave-In. This is going to add a layer of moisture. You have to shake it well first, and then you can disperse it on your strands. I'm going to spray that all over my hair first. This leave-in is very light but very moisturizing. I don't really care for light spray leave-ins like these because I find that my hair needs more moisture, but for one layer of moisture, this is definitely a great start. This hairdo has a high pH level just to open up the cuticle and allow products to penetrate the strands and reactivate the product you may currently have in your hair. So this is great as a refresher spray too. Then I'm gonna go in with her Mega Man Grow Moisture Milk. It has a ton of vitamins and moisturizing properties. It's going to add a ton of moisture for any hair texture. It's made with avocado butter, mango butter. These ingredients are going to hydrate, moisturize, and lock in moisture. So since this is going to act as my styler as well as my moisturizer, I am going to apply quite a bit because my hair is freshly washed. It needs as much moisture as possible. So I'm going to add quite a bit for each section. Now it's time to flat twist. This clip is sped up so you can't really see what I'm doing, but all I am doing is grabbing the section and twisting it over to the other section. So I'm going to slow it right down. I'm going to use my thumb to grab a section. Then I'm going to take my index finger and grab that section as well so I can pull it over to the opposite section. And then I'm going to be slowly moving my fingers down that section just to detangle it, just to get those knots out on the ends. I'm going to show this again. I'm going to apply the hairdo and the milk. Make sure the section is thoroughly detangled and smoothed down properly. I'm going to take a section in the back, just one section, and pull it to the right. I have that section taut. Now I'm going to take my thumb and create a section I want to carry over to the other section. I'm using my index finger to grab it and to help carry that section over. And as I am moving my fingers down, I'm detangling it.
A new level. I wanna take this love to.
Take your thumb to create that section, add your index finger, carry it over, make a 2-strand twist. And keep repeating those same steps. Thumb, index finger, carry it over, detangle. Thumb, index finger to carry it over. Use your fingers to gently detangle it. And that's all you want to do to flat twist. You want to make sure that the sections you are carrying over are pretty equal in size, just so you won't get a variation of sizes once you unravel your flat twist. And when you get to the ends, you just do a regular 2-strand twist, and I did do a hanging bantu knot on the ends.
New level, and not just in prayer, but holding your hand in public. I'm possessive. I wanna own your thoughts, oh. When I share you, they know that it's real.
So I'm taking my thumb, creating that section. Then I'm going to take my index finger so I can pull that section to the other section. And when I am twisting those sections together, I'm switching the sections in both hands. Then as I am moving down the section, I'm slightly detangling it. Just take your time and practice a lot. You will get better with time. You just have to keep doing it.
And not just for the gram. I wanna take my thoughts to a new level, and not just a sketch, but painting a picture of you that's accessible. I wish
my hair felt amazing. It had shine. It was moisturized. My hair was soft. It was bouncy. It was very, very, very hydrated. And surprisingly enough, I had some hold from that milk. I wasn't expecting that. I thought my hair was just going to be hydrated, but it did have some hold. So my overall feelings on this line is that it is amazing. It's wonderful. I love this line. This definitely is on my top lines that I love. I'm almost done with the hair milk. That's how much I've been using it. This line is just incredible. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you thought about it down below. Let me know if you've tried this line before. Are you intrigued? Are you interested? Do you think you would purchase something from her line? Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click the bell button so you can be notified of when I upload another video. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you in the next video.